Welcome back, viewers. Today, we're diving into the realm of home entertainment with a product that's been making waves in the market. If you're in the market for the best wall mount for your 55-inch curved TV, look no further than the PERLESMITH TV wall mount full motion PSMFK9. This mount has been turning heads with its versatility, durability, and ease of installation. Stick around as we explore what makes this wall mount stand out from the crowd. First things first, let's talk compatibility. The PERLESMITH TV wall mount is designed to accommodate a wide range of TVs, from 32 to 65 inches, including flat and curved screens. With its max VISA of 400 by 400 mm, this mount fits seamlessly with major brands like Samsung, Sony, LG, and more. So, whether you're upgrading your living room setup or setting up a new home theater, this mount has got you covered. Now, let's talk installation. One of the standout features of this mount is its easy installation process. With its one-piece design and universal wall mount TV bracket, you can have your TV mounted in no time. Plus, the open wall plate design not only makes installation a breeze but also ensures that you have plenty of space for your wall outlets and cables. No more worrying about blocked ports or tangled wires. But wait, there's more. This mount isn't just easy to install, it's also packed with features to enhance your viewing experience. With its full motion capabilities, including swivel, tilt, and extension, you can easily adjust your TV to achieve the perfect viewing angle from anywhere in the room. Plus, with its heavy-duty construction and safety-tested design, you can trust that your TV will stay securely in place, even on 16 wood studs, concrete, or brick walls. But don't just take my word for it. Customers love the PERLESMITH TV wall mount for its quality, performance, and value for money. With over 1,000 ratings and an average rating of 4.7 stars. It's clear that this mount is a hit among homeowners and home theater enthusiasts alike. So, if you're ready to take your TV viewing experience to the next level, look no further than the PERLESMITH TV wall mount full motion PSMFK9. That wraps up our review of the PERLESMITH TV wall mount full motion PSMFK9. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and happy mounting!